Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get Piggyvest and what it can do exactly for you. Alright, so this is the Play Store, or if you're using an iOS, just go to your Apple Store and look for Piggyvest and install it. Piggyvest, this is it, right? So I already have mine installed, so I'm not going to install it again. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be showing you Piggyvest from my browser, right? But you should get the app. I'm just going to be showing you from the browser for demonstration purposes. Okay, so once you download Piggyvest, you're going to click on create an account, right? Create an account. So once you tap on create an account, you're going to see this. So you enter your name. I'm just going to enter mine now. Matthew Olushola Levi. Email address, just going to enter one of my email addresses, levi07@gmail.com. Phone number 08034180839. So password, I'm just going to, just for demonstration purposes, okay, I've got that out of the way. So referral phone or code. Now for this referral phone or code, you should enter my phone number, which is 08135640639. Now the reason why you should enter my phone number is this. I'm just going to be honest with you. If you enter my phone number and you carry out all the necessary actions, Piggyvest gives you 1,000 naira bonus, for signing up and for using their platform, and they give me 1,000 naira bonus as well for referring you. Okay, so but apart from that, even if you don't get many referral bonus, Piggyvest is still a fantastic option. How did you hear about us? Just say friend, family, co-worker. Do you understand? So this phone number, my phone number, please enter it. Now it's going to be if you enter this phone number, it's going to allow me track your actions to know where you're stuck on. Okay, so that's another thing apart from getting bonuses. It's going to help me follow up if you're having any issue. So you create an account, you create your account. Please just enter one first name and one last name. Okay, create account. My network's a bit slow. Okay, so what? So this is it, right? Once you create it, this is it. So there are a few things that you're going to need to do here before you can start using Piggyvest. So you need to verify your email address. They would have sent an email address to you. Just check your email. Let me check to confirm now if indeed I received any email. Matthew Levi 07. Okay, so this is it, right? So you should receive a verification link. Once you tap it, it means you've been verified. So add your BVN or NIN now. Now I know you might be skeptical about adding your BVN or your NIN, but this is totally secured. It is 100% secured, 100% safe, right? And also they are verified by Piggyvest, has been verified long ago by the Central Bank of Nigeria. Okay, so their actions are not illegal. Tell us more about yourself. Securely add a valid debit card. I know people are scared of adding their debit card details, but this is a savings app, right? And they actually need you actually need to send your money to the app via a debit card. Okay, so that's why you need to enter a debit card. They need to be sure that the debit card is indeed yours, because people can send money from anybody's account. Some people can steal people's account, people's card, to be doing dubious things. So your BVN and your debit card, right? So these are all security measures. So set your security question just in case you forget your password or you want to transfer money. The reason why this security question is there is that, let's say someone gets a hold of your Piggyvest account. I mean, it's not possible. So they want to send money out from your Piggyvest account. This security question will be asked. All right. So at that point, if they don't know it, they can't transfer your money out. Excuse me. So refer a friend, and 1,000 naira bonus. I mean, this is exactly what I'm doing here. Okay. So that is that. So in order to use Piggyvest securely, you need to do all of these things, right? Now let's come here to total savings. I'm going to explain what all of these do, right? But first, let me just stop this video here. Right. Now, I'm going to explain what these things do, what each of these four options do, or six options rather. So, for piggy bank, um, so this is what piggy bank does, right? This piggy bank option. For piggy bank option, you can actually automate. When I say automate, it means you can set it automatically to be removing money from your account. Okay, whether weekly, daily, or monthly, you can set it to be deducting money from your account and be saving it here for you. I use that option a lot. Okay, so once you set it, you can go to settings here, turn on autosave, or if you want to be doing it automatically, if you want Piggyvest to be removing the money from your account and be saving it here for you, without you coming here to be doing it manually, you can just turn on autosave or turn it off. Right? So autosave settings, you can choose savings frequency. Do you want it to be removing the money daily? Do you want it to be removing the savings weekly, monthly, or any time? Okay, you can set that as well, and set withdrawal days. Now what this one is going to do is that your withdrawal day, you can set it to any day. Do you understand? So yeah, the withdrawal days for your Piggyvest wallet, piggy bank wallet. What this means is that if you want to withdraw on any day that is not your withdrawal day, you're going to be charged is it 2.5% of whatever you're withdrawing. Okay, the reason why they charge this is to discourage you from just withdrawing anyhow, since this is a savings app. Although you can withdraw your money without any penalty, I'm going to show you where you can do that. Okay, so set my withdrawal day. You can just tap on this one and set your withdrawal days. Okay, choose a withdrawal day. So you can choose the day you want to withdraw your money, but it's usually after 90 days. Okay, so you can just choose it. That's up to you. Just explore that option. Okay, so that's that about that. Now, they give between 10 to 13% every month on every year rather, on your savings. Okay, so this is a very high interest savings app, unlike banks where you're not going to get anything at all. Okay, they might even deduct your money, or they give you just 10%. They give you just maybe 1% on your savings. So what this means is that, let's say you save 100,000 naira on Piggyvest, on piggy bank option. Now at the end of the year, you're going to get, say, between 110 to 113,000 naira. Okay, compared to banks where you may have 99,000 naira after they have deducted bank charges and all of this and all of that. So this is a very good option. It's a good alternative to just using banks. Or interest rate 10% per annum. You see that? So you're getting 110,000 naira. If you manage to save 1 million naira here, you're getting 1,100,000 naira at the end of the year. Right? So that's it with this piggy bank. So with Flex Naira now, forget those figures that you were seeing. It's a mistake. I was logged in from another account that had money. Okay, so for Flex Naira now, here you can withdraw your money at any time without any penalty. You can see that the interest rate here, this is the interest rate here. Look at the top of this 0.00. Look at Flex account. The interest rate is 8%. You see that it is less than the 10% interest rate for Piggyvest, for piggy bank, for the piggy bank option, right? So for this one, you can just save your money here and withdraw at any time at zero charge, but you still get interests for saving. And the good thing is that each time you save on Piggyvest, you get 10 points. Okay, and each point is 10 naira. Okay, so you get a point, sorry, and each point is 10 naira. Okay, so you get 1 point. So let's say that you automate your savings to be doing, to be saving every day, every day. At the end of the year, you get 3,600 and something points. Okay, which you can even convert to money. I said 3,300 and something points rather. Okay, so that's it. So for this Flex Naira now, you're going to be given an account number that anybody can transfer money to. Now this is what I use to receive my own money because of bank charges and all of those things. I hate paying bank charges, so anytime I want to receive payment, I just use this Flex account. So get account number, you're going to be given a Wema Bank account number, but because you have not added your BVN, you are not going to have the account number, so you can't use this option without your BVN or NIN. Do you understand? So that's why you need to. So once you add your BVN or NIN, you're going to be given a Wema Bank account number, right? You're going to be given a Wema account number, and this Wema account number works like it's a normal bank account. Do you understand? But it is going to be created in your name, so that anybody from anywhere in the world can send money to that account. So you can actually go to any Wema bank account and withdraw that money. Do you understand? Or if you don't want to go to a Wema bank account, you can actually withdraw from this account and send it to any of your accounts. Do you understand? But this is my own preferred option because I hate paying bank charges. So I just get my money here and it's there. It accrues, it gets interest, no useless bank charges and all of those. Okay, so this is 7 minutes. Let me stop this video here now. So safe lock option. So what this one does is that it helps you to lock up an amount of money for future use. So let's say you have 300,000 naira now, and you want to use that 300,000 naira, say in 2 months time, but you don't want the temptation to dip your hands into that money and spend it. Let's say you want to use it for your child's school fees. So what SafeLock does is that you just say, okay, do you know what, I want to lock this money up here and I don't want to touch it, and immediately you just click lock. And this is the good thing about SafeLock. Immediately you just hit lock, whether you're locking for 60 days or 90 days, you're getting between 2 to 5% interest. So for example now, I locked a million naira in my own SafeLock that for 90 days, because I need that money in 90 days and I don't want to touch it, I don't want to do anything with it. Now I could have done mutual funds and all of those things, but that's a long thing. Okay, so I got 5% interest, 50,000 naira. Immediately I withdrew that 50,000 naira, and I just used it to do what I wanted to do, and my 1 million naira is still there, and I'm going to get it back, okay, after 90 days. So this is how I've been doing it. This is what I've been doing for years on and years on, but a lot of people do not know this. And well, now that you know, you can explore some of these options. Just explore these options. So that's what SafeLock does. It helps you lock up your money so that you are not tempted to spend it, and you're also going to be getting immediate interest. When I say interest, it's not for the future. They are going to give it to you immediately you just hit lock. You just lock that money, you get that interest, and you withdraw it straight away. Okay, so targets. So for targets, you're getting 9% per annum. So what target does is that, let's say you want to save up for a car, right? It creates targets. Start a personal target. Yes, let's say you want to create target for a car or a house. So let me just call this car project. Select category. So let's say car or vehicle. So there are different categories here. Okay, fees or debt, education. You want to save for your child's education. I'm just going to choose car or vehicle. So how much car do I want to buy now? That's the target. So let me say I want to buy a 3.5 million naira car. Choose a savings frequency. So how do you want to be saving? Is it weekly? Is it monthly? So just tap to continue. Amount to save frequently. Let me see, I want to save 10,000 naira every week. Day of the week. What day? If I'm saying they should be removing weekly, what preferred time? Just choose any time. Add a picture. Start date. When you want to start. If I say today or tomorrow. When do you want it to end? What's your target? Okay, so if I say I want to save up for 90 days or 60 days, that depends on you. Select a primary funding source. So you have not added, if you had added your card, so you're going to see your card details here as a funding source. So it's going to be removing the money. So I hereby agree, and that's it. You just tap on create targets. Okay, so once you've created your target, the thing is going to be deducting the money, right? So you're going to get 9% of what you have saved up in your target savings. So this target savings is actually very good in that it helps you project, it helps you plan ahead that, okay, by November I want to build a house, so let me start saving towards that house. Do you understand? And you can create target savings for many things. I do it a lot. I use it for rent. I use it for, I used it for school. I used it for so many things, and I still use it. So basically, Piggyvest is a more, not more better. It is a better option than just leaving your money in banks. Once you're saving with Piggyvest, although it is not exactly an investment, it is just normal savings with high interest compared to banks. Okay, the good thing with Piggyvest is that they actually have investment options. See invest here at the bottom. Okay, so Investify, if you say invest now, so there are different investments. So real estate, if you say you want fixed income, real estate, agriculture, you know so this is it now. Sold out, people have already invested. So once you're on Piggyvest, you're going to be receiving notifications on investment opportunities that are actually available. So these ones are real investments on the platform. Okay, so they are real investments, but the other ones I've been talking about, they are just merely savings that give you high interest. They are just savings that give you interest. They are not investments. So you can explore Piggyvest and see how it works. But I promise you that this is really fantastic, right? Anyways, I'll stop this video here now. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to hit me up, provided that you actually use my phone number as a referral code. All right, that's when I'll answer you. Cheers.